Searching for the best home server software for your home network attachment server or smart home server in 2026? Here we will compare CasaOS, ZimaOS, and HexOS, which are currently among the most popular home server software platforms in 2026. So, let's begin. First, we have CasaOS. CasaOS is a free and open source platform with low requirements and high flexibility. Instead of operating on a separate operating system, it is an application platform that operates on top of the Ubuntu and Debian operating systems. It has a fantastic Docker dashboard with access to hundreds of applications and services. Installing it only requires executing a single command. It runs on Raspberry Pi or any other computer, including the old one with an ARM or x86 architecture. It is very simple and highly configurable, but does not have advanced storage management features since they consist of file sharing only without built-in RAID management features. Remote access can also be set up independently using various tools such as Tailscale or Cloudflare. Then we have ZimaOS. ZimaOS is an independent NAS operating system running on Debian, developed by the same developers behind CasaOS, but tuned to meet the needs of advanced hardware and experienced users. This OS comes with features such as native RAID, backups, and snapshots, along with application templates such as Jellyfin, Image, and Home Assistant. Some of the additional features provided by ZimaOS include encrypted peer-to-peer remote access, system updates, and virtualization with the help of ZVM. The standard ecosystem of the software is free. However, if you want to download the independent version of ZimaOS for your own hardware, a one-time payment of $29 is required. Then lastly, we have HexOS. HexOS is a new platform targeted mainly at beginners and based on true NAS scale. This includes automatically configured ZFS pool to protect data integrity, complete guide installation wizard that is the most user-friendly for novices, and a clear graphical web-based user interface. HexOS 1.0 is now released, which means that there is now support for HexOS Local, where HexOS can be installed on premises locally and used through a web interface with an optional cloud-based dashboard. On the other hand, since this platform is based on true NAS, it is particular about hardware like non-SMR drives and ample memory, has a highly curated app catalog which is smaller compared to regular Docker environments. So, which is better? CasaOS wins for its flexibility and for Docker fans. Great for beginners and different hardware, but does not have native RAID. ZimaOS becomes the best choice for NAS, offering amazing storage options, virtualization, and remote access. It may seem costly due to the $29 license, but it is worth the money if one is building a custom solution. HexOS is the best choice for absolute beginners that need ZFS storage and automation in setting up everything. Go for CasaOS if you wish to enjoy flexibility and Docker testing for free. ZimaOS is your choice if you need a NAS with lots of media storage and virtualization options. HexOS is what you need if you prefer automated ZFS storage with the simplest interface. Let us know your favorite server platform in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe.